Hello and welcome to Offer Creations. My name is Ashley and today I'm going to show you how to make a birthday girl shirt in watermelon theme. So first I'm going to type out birthday girl and then I'm going to go ahead and make it two separate words. Okay. Now I'm going to change birthday's font to the font called Happy. So I'm going to go to the search field and search for Happy. Okay, and the Happy text or font is a multi-layer, so I'm just gonna make sure that both layers are showing because I want to use both. And next we're gonna change the font for girl. Not too sure what font I want to use, so I'm just gonna scroll through here and hopefully find a nice text or font. I don't want to make this too long, so we'll just select this. This is aphasia. Not sure if that's said right. So I'm not going to change the colors yet until I find an image. So let's click image and search for watermelon. So there's a lot of results for watermelon, but I want to make sure I select a free one, so either click on type or maybe ownership actually, and select free. And these are their free options that they have here, so we'll just use this watermelon. Okay, I think I want to change the colors of this watermelon since they give that option. Let's go ahead and change it. Okay, so first I want to change this to a different type of green, maybe a darker green. I think I'm gonna leave this layer the same, change the seeds to black, and then the inside I want to make it a pinkish, what is this, pinkish red color, coral color. Alright, now I'm ready to change the text since now I have the color of my image to easily change it to. So I'm going to make this one the green, and for my multi-layer text for birthday I'm going to change the inside to the pinkish red color, and then I might change it to the green or black. I want something dark to make it pop. So, yeah, the green looks good enough. So I'm just going to make the birthday just a little bit bigger than the girl. So I'm going to unlock the text. And I'm going to change the letter space to 0. See how close I can get it close together. And if it's possible, I'm going to try to make it closer by hitting the arrow button down. Also, you can click the ungroup button if you want to, and it will separate all your letters and you can make them close, and then you will just group them back together. But this looks good for this shirt here. So I'm going to click the text with the shift button and I aligned it together to make sure everything was centered. And now I'm going to make the watermelon just a little bit smaller to fit under my text. And make sure when you select it, after you decide on what size that you want it. To make it cut, and then as the fill, instead of says no fill, click print, so it will turn into a print and cut, and then you will flatten it with the button at the bottom. I zoomed right past that earlier, I apologize, but make sure you flatten it if you're going to use any print and cut or use it for like use a sawgrass or anything like that. So let's hit make it to go to the prepare page, and sawgrass, I'm going to mirror it. So we're just going to continue. So I had to learn when you send to printer that you need, for the printer selection, click Sawgrass Print Manager instead of the actual model, and also to click the Sawgrass Print Manager dashboard before you even hit the print button. So let's change that to Sawgrass Print Manager, take off the bleed. I suggest clicking the Use System dialog button so you can, change your settings if you want to. So we'll hit print, and then that's it for this part. I'll see you when it's time to print.